Hi everyone, my name is Enrico Campidoglio. Welcome to my course Git Tips and Tricks. I'm an independent programmer and trainer, and like you, I use Git every day to manage the history of the code I work on. Over time, I've developed a deep appreciation for Git's design philosophy. Contrary to popular belief, Git isn't an obscure, overly complex tool. It's more like a Swiss Army knife, packed with small, specialized tools designed to do one thing well. Some of these tools are obvious and widely used, while others are less apparent or even hidden, and their value often goes unnoticed. The key to mastering Git is knowing how to unlock and use all of these tools to enhance your workflow. In this course, we'll do exactly that. We'll unfold Git's Swiss Army knife together and explore how to leverage its full potential to improve your daily development workflow. Some of the major topics that we will cover include boosting your productivity with Git at the command line, maintaining a clean, organized history of your code, comparing different branching and merging strategies, correcting mistakes and recovering lost commits, tracking down bugs through your project's history. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of Git's design philosophy and be able to combine its tools to streamline your workflow, automate tasks, and manage your projects more efficiently. I hope you'll join me on this journey to elevate your Git skills with the Git Tips and Tricks course at Pluralsight.